Introduction. Welcome to our TALLY pRIME tutorial on creating ledgers, groups, and vouchers. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating these fundamental components of accounting in TALLY pRIME. Part 1. Creating ledgers. Ledgers are accounts that record financial transactions related to a particular business entity. To create a new ledger in TALLY pRIME, follow these steps.
So let's proceed to creating a ledger in TALLY pRIME. So this is the TALLY pRIME icon once again. We are going to launch it. You can also right click and run as administrator. So give it some few seconds to open. Mine I already put a password, but I have two companies, but we are focusing on the one we started with, which is Asasha Motivated. So we select the company and enter. Don't worry about the license. When we enter, this is the gateway of TALLY or the home page. So now our target is to create. So when you click on create, we are creating a ledger. Then you select ledger and you enter. So here you fill in the details of this ledger. For example, if you have a client called Amon, so when you enter, so these are the various groups. If you have a client, you put him under sundry debtors. So you fill in these details, you put his address, the district, the country code, the bank details, the BRN number. If he's VAT exempt, you say enable. If he's deemed, you put you disable or enable. Then you also select the buyer type, business to business or business to government. You also have business to consumer. Business to business is for those with TIN numbers. B2C, business to consumer. Then foreigner. So you select any depending on your specifications, on the client's specifications. So after filling in all these details, you enter, then you save. When you say yes here, your ledger will be saved. So that's how we create a ledger in TALLY. In case you want to alter the ledger, you also have an option to alter the ledger. You come to the home page of TALLY again, then you click alter, and you come to ledger. You'll be able to see the ledger that you created earlier here. Created the ledger Amon. Then you can make changes accordingly. If it's a creditor, someone giving you goods, then you change to sundry creditor. But all these are options. These are groups. We have so many groups in TALLY. So after making changes, you enter and save. So this one I will leave it to sundry debtors. So you enter and save this. By so doing, you've successfully edited or altered the ledger. So that is all about ledgers.
It's important to create clear and accurate ledgers to ensure proper accounting and financial reporting. Some tips for creating effective ledgers include: use clear and concise names. Choose the appropriate group to classify the ledger. Fill in all necessary details to avoid errors in reporting.
So let's go to creating groups. in TALLY pRIME.
Groups are categories that help to organize and classify ledgers based on their nature or purpose. To create a new group in TALLY pRIME, follow these steps.
Yeah, I'm already on the page. But we come to create. This is the gateway of TALLY. You come to create, then group. Then here you enter the name of the group, like for example, what are we going to sell? Okay, assuming let me use the names of my playlists on the YouTube channel. Assuming that group is motivation. Let me put it under. Here you pick any group where you want it to fall. Let me leave it under capital account. So groups behave like subledger. So you enable these based on what? Based on your specifications. Then you save and you enter and say yes. So the group motivation has been saved. Yeah. So if you want to make changes in the group later on, you come to groups again, you alter, then you come to groups. Then you look for motivation. It will be there. Here it is. Then you make changes. If you want more details about it, there is F12 here. Yeah, but that's how we create the group. Yeah, that's how we create a group.
Effective grouping helps to organize and simplify financial reporting. Some tips for creating effective groups include: choose clear and relevant names for groups. Choose appropriate parent groups to ensure logical grouping. Assign relevant ledgers to the appropriate groups. Part 3. Creating vouchers. Vouchers are documents that record financial transactions and provide proof of the transaction. To create a new voucher in TALLY pRIME, follow these steps.
So, let's create vouchers also in TALLY. Still, you come to the home page or gateway of TALLY, then you come to create, then you go to voucher types. Then here you can create any voucher type that you want. Let me create motivation still. Yeah, I'm creating a voucher type called the motivation. So select type of voucher. I want it to be a sales voucher. So these are a list of voucher types you can select from. Yeah, the most common ones are purchase, receipt, sales, then stock journal. So I'll put this motivation voucher type under sales. Then from here you can activate this voucher. It's enabled. Method of numbering. Here you select the method of numbering. It's either manual or automatic. Yeah, if you want more advanced configurations, you can select yes, you enable, then you go to the advanced configurations. But for now, we are just learning how to create a voucher type. So after getting this name, just enter and save this voucher type. So when you enter, it will be saved. So what you do, you escape to go back to the first page, the home page. To see that voucher type, you can still alter and come to voucher types. You'll be able to see it here, motivation. So this is the voucher type we've just created. You can make changes to it anytime. Yeah. So that is voucher type. That's how we create a voucher type. Yeah.
Effective voucher creation ensures accurate financial reporting. Some tips for creating effective vouchers include: fill in all necessary details such as the date, ledger names, and amount. Use clear and concise descriptions. Ensure proper classification of transactions. Conclusion: Creating ledgers, groups, and vouchers in TALLY pRIME is essential to effective accounting and financial reporting. By following the steps and tips outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure accurate and effective management of your financial transactions. Thanks for watching.